Hey guys, check this out. So I got this monthly S1 value, and as you can see, I need to create like 5 of them for R1 as well. So I gotta have monthly R1, monthly R2, monthly, and this is like I have to go and copy every single index, and I don't like that. Okay, so what I do, so this is 16. This has to be 17. I go to ChatGPT. I already started this, right? So my initial request was like, I gave him this first one, right? And he started off, right? But the main point is that I can go ahead. So now do the same for monthly R2 to monthly R5, and monthly R2 should start with index 18. There you go. Check this out. This guy's pretty smart. So all I gotta do now, take this and voila. So monthly R1, monthly R2, monthly R3, monthly R4, monthly R5, 21. Pretty damn cool.